Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your remote IT support service businesses. For example, you have a remote IT support service business in where you can provide different services to your clients just like a troubleshooting, debugging or many more software related problems. Responding each and every client manually is a time consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your client send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your remote IT support service businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of remote IT support service. Hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Remote IT Support Service. How can I assist you today? While providing me three different options, that is quick fixes, troubleshooting and pricing and plans. If I'll click on troubleshooting, then it will respond to me like this, that please select your issue type, while providing me three different type of issues, that is laptop problem, internet issues and security concern. If I'll click on laptop problem, then it will respond to me like this, that please tell us what's going wrong, that is laptop is slow, battery issues or overheating. If I'll click on laptop is slow, then it will provide me some quick tips of solving this problem. If I'll click on overheating, then it will respond to me like this. Here, if I want to know about the pricing and plans that they are offering to their clients, for that I'm clicking on this pricing and plans button. See, it will respond to me like this while providing me all the plans details that are available in this remote IT support service business. If I'll click on internet issue, then it will give me some quick steps to solve this issue and also provide me two options, that is yes, fixed it or no, need help. So if my problem is fixed, then I'll click on this button. If my problem does not fixed, then I'll click on this no, need help. Then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the contact details of this remote IT support service. So this is how your bot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your clients automatically. If you want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your remote IT support service businesses, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly Chatflow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our remote IT support service business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific features or behavior into your WhatsApp chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your clients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of remote IT support service. Now I want to add one welcome message for my clients. For this, I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image from my gallery related to remote IT support service. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. I upload one image related to remote IT support service because it found impactful and interesting towards my client. Now I want to add one welcome message for my clients that they will go with this image. For this I am clicking on this plus add content, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my message. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box. So here I am writing a message. Here I write it, while at the end of this message, I'll ask my clients that how can I assist you today. For answering this, I am providing some buttons to them. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as quick fixes. The second button I'll write is troubleshooting. And the third button I'll write is pricing and plans. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. After that, now if my client faces some problem that they want a quick solution of that, then they will click on this button, quick fixes. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, where I can write some quick fix tips for my clients. Here I write it, while at the end of this message, I'll ask my clients that did this solve your problem. For answering that, I am providing some buttons to them. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as yes, fixed it. The second button I'll write is no, need help. So if the problem would solve, then my clients will click on this button, yes, fixed it. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. Here I am writing the respond message. Here I write it that thank you for reaching out us. We are always here to help your IT needs. Here you can see I wrote this thank you message in asterisk sign because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp business account of my clients in the bold format. Now if the problem does not fixed, then my client will click on this button, no need help. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing the respond message here. Here I write it. Now the next button is the troubleshooting. If my client is facing the issue regarding the troubleshooting in their software, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I want to know about the issue that my clients were facing. Here I write it, please select your issue type. So I am providing some buttons to them by clicking on this plus add button. The first button I'll give them as laptop problem. The second button I'll write as internet issue and the third button I'll write as security concern. Here I write it. Now if my client's facing the problems regarding laptop, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and providing them some problems that are usually occurring in laptop. Here I am adding some buttons. That is laptop is slow. The second I'll write is battery issues and the third I'll write is overheating. Now if my client is facing a problem of working of laptop is slow, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some quick problem solving tips of this. Here I write it. For this problem also, I'll provide some quick tips by clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and writing some solving tips of this issue. Here I write it, while for the same overheating problems, I am providing some solutions to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and entering some solution of this problem that my bot will respond to my clients. Here I write it. After that, the next option is the internet issue. When my client is facing internet issues in their software, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and entering the solution of this internet issue. Here I write it, while at the end of this, I'll ask my clients that did that help. For answering this, I'm providing them some quick buttons by clicking on this plus add button. Here I write it, that is yes, fixed it or no need help, that we were also writed here. See, yes, fixed it, no need help. For this also, the response would be the same that we were writed here. First, I'll arrange this properly. Then I'll connect this circle, yes, fix it, to this message that we were writed here. It is connected. After that, I'll connect this circle, no need help, to this message. The response would be the same. After that, if my clients were facing the security concern problem, then they will click on this button. So for solving this, I'm providing them some quick tips by clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and entering some solution regarding the security concern problem. Here I write it. Now if my clients wants to know about the pricing and plans that I am offering to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will response to them? For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, and writing the pricing and plans details that are available in my remote IT support service. Here I write it. Our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your remote IT support service. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your client instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of remote IT support service. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Remote IT Support Service. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is quick fixes, troubleshooting, pricing and plans that we were written here. See, quick fixes, troubleshooting, pricing and plans. If I'll click on quick fixes, then it will respond to me like this while providing me 2 different options, that is yes fixed it or no need help. If I'll click on yes fixed it, then it will respond to me like this. If I'll click on troubleshooting, then this bot will provide me some types of issues that I am facing, that is laptop problem, internet issues or security concern that we were written here. See, laptop problem, internet issues, security concern. If I'll click on internet issue, then it will respond to me like this. Now if I'll click on pricing and plans, then it will provide me all the details of plans they are offering to their clients. So basically this is how your chatbot will work, and this is how your bot will respond to your clients instantly. You can create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your remote IT support service businesses. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.